Baby. Remember you kept asking for that one thing?
A booty.
No.
10K to go see Dr. Miami.
Oh my God, no. Anyways, here, look for yourself. I got it for you.
Oh, it's big.
Yep.
Well, Puma outfit.
You like it?
Baby, they misspelled this.
What is you talking about?
It say Pumbaa. Like, Pumbaa, my lord. Bro, this all trash. Bro, you got this real wish.
Ladies, if he answer the phone, yes ma'am, you get on his motherfucking nerves.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, you a funny ass nigga, bro. You goofy, right? You funny, nigga. Shut the fuck up. You not funny, nigga. The fuck up.
There's no way this the world hottest chip. I know I ate more hottest stuff than this. Okay, it's in a black pack. Y'all, it's a 2020. Hold up. Hope it don't got the virus. Oh my God, y'all, this chip is black as hell. Oh, fuck! Fuck! Alright, hold on, y'all. That's it. Let me eat the chip. Look at go. Oh my God! Ah! Oh! Motherfuck! Oh, I have to eat it.
So my dad was 20 years old when he had his first kid, and 62 years old, turning 63 4 months later when he had his 150th kid. Right now, he's 64 years old and will be turning 65 years old in 7 months. The age gap between my oldest and youngest sibling is 43 years. My oldest sibling is even 25 years older than I am, and I'm 18 years older than my youngest sibling is.
Whew.
What you about to do?
Lay down, why?
Oh, I thought you were about to do something else.
Boy, just because I take my teeth out do not mean it's time for some bedroom activities. I just need a break from my teeth. Dang.
Damn! Hey, Bubba, did you have a fun time with Ashley? Me and Ashley are broken up, Mom, because before I went over to her house today, she was talking freaky all over the phone, so I'm like, all right, bet, I'm getting treatment for show. I go up to her bedroom, and then she keeps on bitching and complaining the whole time about her dead brother 3 years ago. I'm like, Shotty, I don't give a fuck. I came over here to see those pancakes move around and get some treatment. And then apparently that was disrespectful, so she slapped me across the face. So I'm like, all right, for show. I dropped her dumbass, Chris Brown 1 too. And then I'm walking out of the house, and her dad came up to me like he wanted some, so I dropped his dumb ass too. And now I have to go home and watch Johnny Sins for an hour and feel like shit.
So, you know, per usual, I'm at work, minding my cute ass business. Y'all need to stop bringing y'all kids to Walmart with y'all. Y'all need to stop bringing y'all kids to Walmart with y'all. Y'all, this man was checking out, and I just got done helping him. And I'm standing, like, near them, and his daughter was like, Daddy didn't really scan the milk. Y'all, I was like, I'm going to ignore them. And, you know, I was looking, and then he seen me looking, so then he started looking at me. So then we having a staring contest, and I'm just like, well, you got to scan it now. Your daughter done put you on blast. I was going to ignore you, but you wanted to stare at me and make it known. All I know is, little girl, wherever you at, if you ever see this, if you even still alive, learn to shut up sometimes and mind your business. Because why would you say that? Why would you put your daddy on blast like that? He over here trying to save money, and here you go. Now I got to put him in jail.
Now, I ain't wrong, okay, but hear me out. Every, ethnicity has a yell. They gotta scream that power deep in, you know? The Polynesians, woo! That shit, you know? The Hispanics, Latinos, you know? Oh, bro, it's rednecks. Yeah! That shit.
But I don't know. Is there other yells? Hey yo! Nah.
Y'all funny. Some of y'all don't even know me, but tell me about my own favorite sport. Like, I don't know shit. Like, I don't know nothing about it. What? Go somewhere with yourselves. For real.
I don't know. I thought my shit was. Oh no! I hope I don't fall. Can't no hoe tell me shit. Cause bitch, I'm on my knees. Come hide them. Cause bitch, I'm the shit. On my mama and my sister. God damn, my knees hurt. Oh, what the hell y'all be doing?
It's the only thing you want to do all day. Make your mind up. Uh-oh. Whoop your ass.
Spin, spinner. Got the waves in my head, Tim. Walk them down, blim.
Stop, man. Hold on. Hey. Drip. Yo. Getting about street. Hey, shut up.
Strong. You are so strong.
You been lifting weights, though.
Listen.
What's up, my boy?
Yeah. You know, people throw around this phrase, keeping it real. I'm
Yeah,
going to keep it
Shake my
real.
hand first before you say
Yeah,
this.
keep it real, my boy. Always keep it real.
Listen.
How you kept your herringbone
Hold on, bro.
crinkling it up?
Yeah.
My bad, my boy.
Yeah, you got them curls.
Y'all ain't never going to make it in rap. You're never going to make it. That's like, it sounds horrible.
Hold up, my boy. Hey, hold up, my boy.
Very bad.
Did we tell you ain't gonna never get your car back?
Yeah.
We ain't tell you that. We
got your car back.
Hey, get them out of here.
Hey, don't do that. Hey, my boy. Hey, don't come in here. Hey, don't do that. Oh, you that. We know where your car at. We know where the real. Damn, hey,
I know about the beers. I know about the
we know where everything.
I know about the Lamborghini. I know about the Ferrari. I know about your jet. I know about your house. I know.
Yeah, but I'm just waiting on that goddamn game to come on and shit. You can come in, Ashley. Girl, traffic been so damn bad. Oh my God. Who the fuck? Hey, hold up, twin. I'm gonna call you back. Baby, who that is? Oh, that's my best friend, Ashley. Ashley, mom, like Ashley. What the fuck, nigga? Motherfucker thicker than a snicker, man. What the fuck? Damn, I didn't know you had no best friends. Yeah, we go way back. Way back? What the hell? I'm just not saying it, motherfucker. What the fuck, nigga? You must be Kush. It's nice to meet you. Yeah, what going on? Y'all don't get too damn friendly now. Man, you mind your business. This ain't even about you no more. You might well go. What the fuck? You don't let me see you. I know I gotta dive into the DMs later, bitch. Ooh, let me sit down. It's been a long trip. What the hell you looking at, Kush? Oh, I thought I had seen something on the goddamn wall back there. Yeah, okay. Man, please. I'm looking at that goddamn but don't get on, man. What the fuck? I need her in my goddamn life right now. What the fuck?
Is that my phone?
Yeah, it's your mom.
Oh, pick it up for me.
Hello? What are you talking about? Hold on, what?
What? Hey, come on, this is my mom.
Bitch, what the fuck are you talking about?
Oh, hello, mom. Bitch. Hey, bitch. Don't be calling my mom no bitch. What's wrong with you? No, it don't matter, mom. Hello. Would you hang up? Why you calling my mama bitch? What's wrong with you?
Evan, nigga, you at a probation office. Girl, that police officer said your license suspended. I said you can't spin this engine. Pulled off roof. Oh, you messy as a barbecue soundtrack. Pick me. Girl, oh, you know I'm paid off. The state don't own me. Boy, bye.
Thank you. All right. Can you believe somebody broke in my car last night and stole my whole motor?
Stole your what?
My whole motor out my car.
Motor?
Yeah.
How does one do that in the middle of the night?
In the middle, somebody stole my whole motor.
Like
out of this car.
part of the engine.
Yeah, they stole the whole motor out.
That's gotta be that can't be one person's job.
Yeah, I'm running off 2 AAA batteries right now.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What the hell? How?
I don't know. I just looked the batteries up and it went. I'm just joking with you. I just want to make you laugh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I just saw a video of a woman screaming during pregnancy. Bitch, if you don't stop overreacting now.
Close your eyes right quick, bro.
I said stop flirting.
Let's get this thing going.
Let's get it going on.
Okay.
You like ice cream?
Yeah, I like ice cream. What you gonna do with that ice cream?
I said stop flirting, girl.
I'm gonna rub it all over you.
Oh.
And try to get it off before it melts.
Oh, Lord. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's too cold. Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna warm it up.
Uh-oh. How you gonna do it?
I'm gonna give it what?
I said stop flirting, girl.
Oh, Lord. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Lord, I don't want to scare you. I don't want to scare you. I want you to come back.
No, I get the jibby. Ah.
Well, we got a cure. I got a cure for that.
You do it? What's the cure?
Yeah, the jibby.
You for the jibby?
Mommy, you're tripping.
How have I gone my whole life without knowing about this?
For those of you who don't know, every pizza box can do this. First, rip the top off. Then take these off. Once you have both off, pull it down like this, tuck it in, and it's completely done.
You may have known, but the pepperoni Hot Pockets have actually been recalled because they could have like chunks of metal in them or something, but I don't think they actually do. Okay, so I'm putting the Hot Pocket in now. 2 minutes like normal. See? There's nothing wrong with the...
No, bitch.
What? I was just about to get in there. My towel's in there. All my stuff is in there already. Okay, well then why you not already in here? I gotta go somewhere. You saw me talking to mine. I'm talking to mine real quick. Right, well, like I said, I gotta go somewhere. And your shower's dead ass be like 3 hours long. You had all day to shower. Now you want to shower. I don't care. I want to get in the shower. Bro, I'm going to be in and out quick. You take forever. Bro, I'm going to be quick too. Ma, tell her let me get inside. Alright, go, because you blowing mine. I'm drinking my Kool-Aid Jammer anyway. Thank you. See, all that arguing for nothing. I'm going to be quick. Thank you.